Welcome, Cosmic Explorers. Today on Cosmic Odyssey, we're venturing into the heart of the universe's most majestic structures, galaxies. These sprawling cities of stars, gas, and dark matter hold secrets older than time itself. Buckle up as we unravel how galaxies form, collide, and shape the cosmos, and maybe even our fate. Let's start simple. A galaxy is a gravitational island of billions of stars, dust, and dark matter. Our Milky Way is just one of 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. But how do these cosmic giants come to life? Billions of years ago, clouds of gas and dark matter clumped together, igniting stars in their wake. Over time, gravity sculpted them into the shapes we see today: spirals, ellipticals, and chaotic irregulars. Not all galaxies are created equal. Spiral galaxies, like our Milky Way, are spinning pinwheels with star-filled arms. Elliptical galaxies are ancient, football-shaped giants, home to retired stars. Irregular galaxies? They're the rebels, twisted by cosmic collisions. Speaking of collisions, when galaxies crash, it's not chaos. It's creation. Stars are born, black holes merge, and new galactic empires rise. Let's talk about home. Our Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy stretching 100,000 light-years wide. At its heart lies Sagittarius A supermassive black hole 4 million times heavier than the Sun. But here's the kicker. We're on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy in 4.5 billion years. Don't panic. It'll be a slow-motion dance of stars, not a disaster. Galaxies are still full of puzzles. For example, dark matter. This invisible glue holds galaxies together, but we've never seen it. Galactic cannibalism. Big galaxies devour smaller ones? Yes, the cosmos has its food chain. And thanks to the James Webb Telescope, we're now seeing galaxies born just 300 million years after the Big Bang. What else will we find? If this galactic journey blew your mind, smash that like button and join our Cosmic Odyssey crew. Hit subscribe so you never miss our next adventure. We're tackling black holes, alien planets, and more. Until then, keep looking up, because the universe is just getting started. See you among the stars.